The minute-by-minute success of your production department is essential to your company's growth. At the local and national levels, this association excels in providing support for each step of your manufacturing process. Here's a quick overview. How does PIA help in this process? By bringing leading experts to your community to help your employees become more effective and skilled through training and technology workshops and seminars. In addition, you may access our real-time training webinars covering a wide variety of topics.
As a label printer, we find a lot of value with the PIA as far as training. We've been able to send people off-site for specific training. As well, PIA has sent in trainers when we have a broad issue to cover with all of our employees. It's been very helpful.
PIA offers great technical programs which can be done on webinars, so we can put a lot of people in one room and everyone can benefit.
Advanced professional and technical training is available at our national headquarters located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Topics range from orientation to the graphic arts to the latest emerging technologies, making our national association the leading center for advanced industry training. We don't stop there. The National Association also hosts conferences across the United States on topics vital to the future of your company.
Yeah, the PIA GATF technical conferences have been extremely beneficial for me over the years. It has allowed me to really navigate through the technological landscape and provide a roadmap for our company.
Did you know that we also offer comprehensive technical support, providing solutions to all of your production needs? Our lab technicians work with your company to quickly troubleshoot an existing problem. Our experts can perform over 37 scientific tests on ink, paper, chemistry, and their interaction. What does this mean for you? It means that you have a respected and independent resource to aid you in promptly solving costly and frustrating production problems. When remote technical support is not enough, our consultants with the National Association can provide in-depth support at your location. With decades of hands-on experience, these professionals provide assistance in such areas as production operations, digital printing, environmental health and safety, and business management. In particular, they can support you with press acceptance, technical production assessments, color management, lean manufacturing processes, and others. Our consultants can give you confidence that your company employs industry best practices in each critical area. The National Association has long been the industry source for developing quality control devices such as press test forms, color control bars, process control targets, and many others. We offer the industry's largest bookstore for training materials, books, and comparative studies. These materials put vital information at your fingertips and enable cost-effective training for just about any position at your company. Have a frustrating technical question or problem? The PIA Technical Hotline has the answer. Each day, our staff fields scores of questions from our members in the industry, helping them determine real-time solutions.
They've been a great resource for us. We now can call on them for any of the problems we have, and they research them and get back to us on whatever we've asked for.